Hey, hi Sai, good afternoon.
Yeah, hi, Shafat.
So, how are you?
Yes, I'm good.
So, everything's going good?
Yeah.
First of all, congratulations for your placement.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Sai, can you introduce yourself to our audience?
Yeah, sure. So, myself, Saiteja, total I have around 7 years experience as a QA testing. So, I used to work previously as an automation test engineer with the Java, Selenium, and Playwright. So, after I used to writing the automation scripts and perform the CI/CD operations with the Jenkins. So, running the CI/CD pipelines, all these things, and after that. I have seen the so many projects. I have seen the so all the projects are going to the microservices architecture, right? So actually, the companies are demanding the automation tools like Docker, Kubernetes, along with the Terraform. So that's the reason I have shifted to the DevOps engineer.
Understood.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So, Sai, I wanted to ask you, what challenges you were facing in your previous career and before joining Paperlive Learning?
Yeah, actually, so in previous companies, right? So I'm unable to do the task. So whatever they have given in the company. So because I haven't learned any tools like a Terraform, I don't know, and Kubernetes also I don't know. After learning in the Paperlive Learning, they have teached with the so like each and everything basic onwards, like Linux and shell scripting and Docker, Kubernetes, everything. And also they used to so Loksai has given me day-to-day task. So whatever the task they asked me to do, I have done that. So after that I got a lot of confidence.
Yeah. That's great. Yeah.
So and also the reason is the Paperlive I have chosen. The main reason is there is a multi-cloud. So most of the companies are asking. So some companies are asking AWS and Azure and GCP, right? So suppose so that's the reason I have thought that so suppose if I learn all the three cloud services, so that will be more beneficial.
Great. So, why did you choose DevOps as your career path?
Yeah, actually, I so basically I have a more interest in the troubleshooting part actually. So suppose if I face any issues in the troubleshooting part, right? I used to do a lot of research. So about the shell scripting commands and everything. So that's the reason I have done.
Okay, fine. So, how did you come to know about Paperlive Learning? You might have searched about Paperlive Learning. So, can you let me know, how did you come to know about Paperlive Learning?
Yes. Actually, I have learned. I seen in the Google reviews. So Google and YouTube reviews. I have seen that. Yeah.
Okay. So you got to know about our platform from YouTube and social media. I can tell you.
Yes. And also one more thing. I have seen the many training institute. So, but they used to provide only single cloud service, AWS or Azure or GCP like that. But you are providing all the cloud services at one place. So that's the reason I have selected. That's a unique thing for us.
That's our USP. We provide DevOps in multi-cloud.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how was your overall learning experience with Paperlive Learning?
Yeah. So a trainer would explaining well. All the concepts are well, and whatever the day-to-day task they have given, and we have done. And suppose if we ask so suppose if I got many doubts, right? They used to clear all the doubts. Yeah. Okay. So actually, while doing the task and projects, I have struck in something, and they asked me to share the screen, and so they resolved the issue.
Yeah.
After that, I got a lot of confidence, and also they have given me a lot of the scenario-based interview questions. So how to crack the interview rounds.
Understood. That's great. Okay. So one more thing. Which part of the training was most valuable for your current role?
Yeah, for me, the most valuable is Docker Kubernetes along with the AWS Azure Cloud, and also for IIC tool Terraform. In Terraform, I used to create the multiple services, right, by using the Terraform. So that is more valuable for me.
Okay, so how these topics were taught in our training program?
Yeah, actually, after completion of each and every class, right, they used to give the material, course material and comments. And suppose if I got any, so suppose if I struck while doing the task, right, I used to ask them and
Yeah,
clarify the doubts.
yeah, you
So
refer to the notes as well, right?
yes, yes.
Yeah, that's great. Okay, so last
And
part.
also monitoring things also they have told. So what are the monitoring tools? So how to do that? Everything
Uh,
they have guide.
okay, great. So, how helpful was the resume building and support provided by our Paperlive learning team?
Yeah, actually, regarding the resume building, they have told only to we need to prepare only for the resume should be only 2 to 3 pages like that. So that should be ATS CV.
Yeah.
So that I used to prepare that CV. After that, I have showed them my CV, and they seen my CV and they told it's good.
Okay.
After then only I tried for the placement.
Understood. Great.
Yeah.
Great. Okay. So the last thing. So how were the mock interview conducted by Paperlive Learning, and regarding the feedback you got from the interviewers, everything. So how was that?
Actually, mock interviews, right? First 2 to 3. So first 1 to 2 interviews I haven't performed well, but so based upon their feedback, again after that I have updated my skills, and again after I used to try. So finally I got selected.
That's great. Okay. So how was the placement team?
Yeah, placement team was good. Actually, they asked my previous roles and responsibilities and previous CV, and they have so they have suggested to me add the multiple tools. So whatever the tools and skills projects I have done, all things I used to add it.
Okay. Okay. That's great. That's great. So what will be the overall feedback for our Paperlive learning platform?
Yeah.
Will you
Overall feedback I can rate around 5/5, 5 out of 5.
Thank you very
That's
much.
great.
Will you recommend any of your colleague or someone who is looking for
Yeah,
the
sure,
work?
definitely I will recommend. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Sai. Thanks for your time.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot.